Hi, my name is Matt and today I'm going to be giving you a quick demonstration of the 200 PHF made by Inverter Fusion Ltd. So this is a portable 200 amp TIG welder with full pulse TIG welding capabilities. It'll weld from 5 amps all the way up to 200 amps on DC TIG and 20 to 180 on MMA. So it's very simple and easy to use with basic controls. You have your mode settings, TIG, MMA or spot, and then you make all your fine adjustments on this side, up slope, down slope, pulse duration, torch control options, post gas, pre-gas, and then once you go back to your main mode, this dial then becomes the amperage control. So it's set out to be very simple and easy to use. You can use all of these dials easily with gloves on while you're working. The unit itself only weighs 9 kilograms and it's a very robust design, so it is great for site work. You've also got the option for remote control, either with a foot pedal or control on the torch. This machine has great low level start and a super smooth, precise arc. It also has precise adjustment of pulse current and pulse times. These machines are manufactured here in the UK and come with a 3-year parts and labour warranty. If you'd like to know more about this machine or any of the other machines in this range, then please contact Inverter Fusion Ltd.